Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps to access speech recognition on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings go down and tap on Privacy. In here, you want to tap on speech recognition, and then in the list, tap on an app that you want to allow or don't allow access to speech recognition. And so the applications that have requested access to speech recognition will appear here. Speech recognition sends recorded voice to Apple to process your request. So if you want to protect your privacy, perhaps you want to deny an app to access your speech recognition on the device. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.